looking up at the stars and the moon, I get this peaceful feeling over me. Thinking where am I headed now, but knowing where I really want to be. Thank you to the stars and the blue moon, and my friends that stand behind what I do. I'm looking up at the stars and the moon. Well, from here, you know they don't look very big, but I know what they'd say to me. Boy, to make things happen, you really got to dig. Thank you to the stars and the blue moon, and my friends that stand behind what I do. 'Cause I can feel something in the air tonight, saying no, lay down, just get up and fight. To do it now is to do it right. So open up that window and let the fire light. Open up that window and let the fire light. There was a time back years ago when this boy was really gonna fly, but time then had its way of bringing me down and taking everything inside. But thank you to the stars and the blue moon, and my friends that stood behind what I do. 'Cause I can feel something in the air tonight, saying oh, lay down, just get up and fight. To do it now is to do it right. So open up that window